13 fun kitchen gadgets that are actually useful. This is the Chef IQ Sense Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer with an ultra-thin probe. This smart cooking thermometer takes away the guesswork with real-time internal temperature updates, flip reminders, rest indicators, estimated time left, and more. It has long-range connectivity, so you don't have to worry about your meal while doing other things. You can get maximum cooking accuracy from any angle with 3 internal and 1 ambient sensor. With a fast-charging and long-lasting battery, you can get over 40 hours of use off of a single 10-minute charge. Safe for temperatures up to 752 degrees Fahrenheit for use in an air fryer, deep fryer, slow cooker, grilling, BBQ, oven, sous vide, smoking, rotisserie, or convection oven. The probes are waterproof, making the cleanup easy. Just soak in the sink or toss it in the dishwasher. With the Chef IQ thermometer, you can rest easy, knowing you will have a perfectly cooked meal every time. The EasyOff Jar Opener. The one-handed bottle helps with the tightest lids, whether factory locked, vacuum sealed, child-proof, or just really stuck. This makes for a perfect gift for seniors or those with certain disabilities. Say goodbye to struggling with jars and hello to easy access with our jar openers. It's designed to be easy to use for those with weak hands or arthritis. Using the included double-sided adhesive stick, the EasyOff Jar Opener under cabinets or countertop saves kitchen space. The bottle opener is made with durable materials and features a non-slip grip that ensures a firm hold on any size lid. It requires less strength while providing more security. Never struggle opening a jar again with the EasyOff Jar Opener. Have you ever struggled to shred chicken? This meat shredder from Surativian takes all of the tedious work out and gives you perfectly shredded chicken in seconds. Just put in your cooked chicken and spin the spiked lid. The shredder can work with all kinds of meat, making it very suitable for fitness enthusiasts, barbecue lovers, or people who like to cook. It is great for shredding chicken, pork, beef, and other vegetables efficiently, widely applied for enchiladas, tacos, and BBQ pulled pork, tuna salad, buffalo chicken salad, and casseroles. Besides, pet lovers can use the meat machine to shred chicken finely for pet food. An ideal gift for your family or friends on any special day. The Meat Shredder Tool Twist is made of high-quality food-grade material, BPA-free, and heat-resistant up to 356 degrees Fahrenheit. The package comes with a cleaning brush, making it easy to clean by hand or in the dishwasher. With this shredder, enjoy perfectly cut meat in all of your favorite meals. This is the Tigwin Apple Peeler, capable of easily paring, coring, and slicing, having apples prepared how you want, fast and easy. It has a suction cup that adheres to countertops for a strong and stable peeling experience. Just pierce the apple, turn the crank, and enjoy a perfectly peeled and cored apple in seconds. It even turns into this fun spiral design, the Oventa Electric Immersion Hand Blender. This is a 300-watt immersion blender with various mixing speeds and stainless steel blades. It's built with a sleek, ergonomically designed motor housing body with a non-slip and easy-to-grip handle that gives you comfortable and sturdy control over the blender. The blender shaft is dishwasher safe, making it easy to clean. Using this immersion blender can help you make delicious smoothies, pureed soups, marinades, sauces, juices, and much more. Enjoy your favorite foods and silky smooth textures with ease. This is the Space Aid Spice Rack Organizer with 28 spice jars. A complete spice tool set with one 4-tier spice rack, 28 square empty glass spice jars, 386 spice labels, 1 X collapsible silicone funnel, 1 chalk marker, with a clear view design allowing you to cook more delicious food. Made of strong steel and powder coatings, electrostatic spray finished. Inclined design make it easy to locate and quickly grab what you need. Turn any mess of spice into an organized masterpiece. 340 pre-printed spice labels cover both common and exotic spices. 46 blank labels with 1 chalk marker for writing on labels and can be wiped and rewritten. In case you cannot find the labels you want, the included numbered catalog can help you. 13.4 inches wide by 10.8 inches high by 4.4 inches deep. Suitable for cabinet, countertop, pantry, cupboard, wall-mounted, or utilize in any area of the kitchen to store. The Cuisinart Salad Spinner. Wash and spin dry salad greens, fruits, and vegetables effortlessly with the Cuisinart 3-quart salad spinner. The easy-to-use spin knob allows for quick and efficient spin. With a non-skid base, the salad spinner doesn't move while in use. The clear base of the salad spinner acts as a serving bowl, saving extra dishwashing time. It comes in a 3-quart and a 5-quart model, perfect for every kind of salad lover. The Wheel Pizza Cutter by Kitschy. Stable vertical pressure and a large cutting wheel make for an easy and perfectly controlled cutting process. This pizza slicer's unique design easily fits in your hand and also in your cutlery drawer. It comes with a blade guard to be safely stored away when you are not using it. Disassembles into 3 parts and is dishwasher safe for super easy cleaning. The Kitschy pizza cutter is ergonomic and cuts effortlessly, perfect for every pizza lover. The OXO Good Grips Vegetable Chopper. Effortlessly chop vegetables, herbs, nuts, and more into very uniform pieces. The chopper has a sharp stainless steel blade, making for easy cuts. It has a comfortable knob designed for minimal effort on your part, and a catcher cup features convenient measurement markings. Great for salads, salsas, stir-fries, sauces, and more. Step up your cooking by finely chopping aromatics to take your dishes to the next level. This is a bench scraper, used to cut dough and can easily gather things like flour and sugar off of your countertops. It is made of heavy-duty stainless steel and is dishwasher safe. Various measurements are on the side of the bench scraper, making it easy to portion out anything you would need. Bakers love this simple tool for making splitting bread dough a breeze. This is the TrendPlane 16-ounce oil dispenser bottle. This oil dispenser offers both pouring and spraying capabilities, allowing you to switch between the two with ease. It's a space-efficient solution that keeps your kitchen clean and organized. Each spray dispenses approximately 0.15 grams of oil, making it effortless to control and measure your daily oil intake. With a daily recommended oil consumption of up to 30 grams, you can effortlessly manage your dietary preferences. Crafted from glass, the olive oil spray is both safe and non-toxic. It can withstand high temperatures and is completely odor-free. Rest assured that your cooking and meal preparation are done with a safe and healthy tool. The Whiskware Pancake Batter Dispenser. This mixer comes with a blender ball wire whisk to make sure your batter mixes thoroughly. Just shake until all the clumps are gone. The bottle is made of BPA-free plastic and can be easily cleaned in the sink or a dishwasher. It can hold up to 4 cups of batter and is heat-resistant up to 440 degrees. With the Whiskware Pancake Batter Dispenser, making perfect pancakes has never been easier. The Zylus Restaurant Cheese Grater. This crank cheese grater requires little pressure to use and folds for compact storage. The handheld grater is ideal to use for hard cheeses, chocolate, and nuts. This cheese and vegetable grater meets standards to protect public health. It can be disassembled and put back together to be used with either your left or right hand. You can feel like you are in a fancy restaurant while easily applying your favorite cheese to any meal. I would like to thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. As always, the affiliate links will be in the description. See you guys in the next video.